Welcome to Spectrum. In this video we will introduce Spectrum's M4i 6600 series of arbitrary waveform generators. These new AWGs are based on a state-of-the-art PCI Express platform and fast digital to analog converters that deliver output rates as high as 1.25 gigasample per second with exceptional 16-bit vertical resolution. When combined with an analog bandwidth of over 400 MHz, it's a feature set that makes for a series of high-performance AWGs that are ideal for reproducing complex high-frequency signals with large dynamic range and minimal distortion. With 5 new AWGs available, you can select the performance characteristics that best match your application. Models come with 1, 2 or 4 channels and a maximum output rate of 1.25 gigasample per second or 625 megasamples per second. If you need more channels, you can link up to 8 cards together with Spectrum's StarHub system, allowing you to build instruments with up to 16 fully synchronous channels at 1.25 gigasample per second or 32 channels at 625 megasample per second. The fast digital to analog converters are matched with front-end circuitry that lets you output signals with a wide range of amplitudes. At the fastest 1.25 gigasample per second rate, you can program amplitudes from plus or minus 80 millivolt up to plus or minus 2 volt full scale into 50 ohm termination, or plus or minus 160 millivolt up to plus or minus 4 volt for high impedance termination. At 625 megasample per second, the maximum amplitude is increased to plus or minus 2.5 volts for 50 ohm termination and plus or minus 5 volt into high impedance. The PCI Express cards come with 2 gigasamples of onboard memory as standard so that long complex signals can be stored and replayed with ease. Furthermore, the memory is complemented by a variety of advanced replay modes. Waveforms can be played once in a single-shot fashion or repeated continuously. In addition, you can link and switch between stored memory segments, as well as streaming new data to the onboard memory over the PCI Express bus with FIFO mode. The interface of the AWGs is an 8-lane PCI Express Gen 2, so using FIFO mode and Spectrum's optimized drivers, data can be streamed from the PC to the onboard memory of the AWG at rates of more than 1.5 gigabytes per second. The advanced replay modes, together with FIFO streaming, make it possible to generate an almost infinite number of waveforms. The easiest way to control the AWGs is to use Spectrum's SBench 6 program. SBench 6 not only lets you adjust key hardware settings like the clock rate and signal amplitude, but it also has a number of features that make it simple to create and generate waveforms. For example, the built-in Easy Generator mode allows you to output standard wave shapes such as sine, square, rectangular, triangular, sawtooth, and sinc functions. Waveforms can also be created using mathematical equations, transferred from acquisition devices such as digitizers and digital oscilloscopes, or imported from third-party software tools such as Excel, MATLAB, or LabVIEW. For users wanting to integrate the AWG cards into test systems and do their own programming, the units come complete with drivers for Windows and Linux operating systems, as well as code examples for C++, LabVIEW, Lab Windows CVI, Visual Basic, and other popular programming languages. Furthermore, while the cards have been designed using the latest technology, they are still software compatible with drivers from earlier Spectrum AWGs. So existing Spectrum customers can use the same software they developed for a 5-year-old 20 megasample per second card with a new M4i series 1.25 gigasample per second AWG. For more information on the M4i 6600 series AWGs, please visit our website or simply follow this link.